Before we started the program, like one day would be amazing, and then the next day could be like terrible. And so I would, do a great workout. I would feel great that day. Then 2 days later, I would feel lost. And so I just didn't really have like a clear path forward to really make small but incremental improvements. And so I think now it's like really reset the trajectory. I'm able to do everything I want. Then when I have little things, you just like, how to get through those, the right way to take care of your body, the right mix of kind of strength, mobility, and flexibility.
Overall, within this program, do you feel like you were able to achieve your goals? Did you get what you wanted out of this?
Definitely.